2 opening scene babuya umngcwabo wamama loya wadla iplate eli-wrong angithi niyamkhumbula. Nje bashaya i-all black wabo nje kuyabonakala ukuthi baphuma emngcwabeni. Hhayi uMancwane-ke uhleli no-wife ka-brother in law. Uyakhumbula loya brother in law loyana wayefikile part 1 bebangokumhambisela ijuice, yena-ke uhleli naye nje bayayikhulumela. Bese Avedana Sikwe kade ekhulelwe bese-ke nje kuyaphuthunywa kumele ayiswe esibhedlela yabo. Nje mfethu lapho uMancwane-ke akasekho right, you know, because she's triggered naye, she lost the baby. And I'm guessing it's not too old. Ngicabanga engathi it's something recent ngoba umama kade kuyimande ngcwatsha. So yeah, she's nje Avedane. I'm triggered. Waba triggered shame. Bathi besahleli-ke uHlengizwe benoMancwane nje ehleli, bowu 2.